Welcome everybody to the Tools in Action YouTube channel. I'm Brad Neer. Head over to Gnarly Carl YouTube channel and check me out. Meanwhile, Dan and Eric will take over from here, and thanks for joining along.
What's cooler than the future of M18 fuel? Chainsaw, check. 18-volt table saw, check. 18-volt circular saw, more capable than any corded, check.
And so what we have is the all-new third-generation fuel impact driver. What this is going to deliver is 30% faster driving speeds. It's going to be the most compact
Then what? Your last one?
than any other competitor in the industry.
Okay.
We're going to be 4.59 inches in length, the most compact impact driver in the industry, and then 2,000 inch-pounds of torque, the most powerful impact driver in the industry.
Wow, I like how small it is.
It's about 3/4 of an inch smaller than our second-generation impact.
Wow, that's crazy. Cool. All right, so he's working one right here.
Yeah, I gotta get one.
Do that drill again. Let's see that drill again. So is this all? You can get non-one key versions.
Yep,
What's your drill? Boom! Right through. Right through. Look at that. Do you recommend using impacts for drilling? Actually, I like it. I like it.
We are seeing more and more people going to impacts for drilling. In addition to that, on our new product, we have this tech screw mode that will automatically shut the tool off once it's seated in the sheet metal. You can see here I'm still holding onto the trigger. It's optimized for 10, 12, and 14 gauge self-tapping screw modes.
Cool, really good, brother. All right, what else? Let's look at this drill.
Yep, and you do that 4 points. That's the one key version. Yep. That'll be your clutch race version. So.
Let's take a look at the drill.
Yeah. So when we take a look at the drill, let's head over here. Actually, we'll stop right here. The new third-generation M18 fuel drill is going to be 60% more power, an inch and a half than all competitive drills.
Okay.
It's going to be an inch and a half shorter than the high-performance.
And what do you mean by competitive drill? A drill that's red and says Milwaukee?
A drill that is any color in the industry.
Okay. All right. Well, what about voltage?
18, 12 doesn't matter. 20, 60 doesn't matter.
Okay.
We'll outperform all of them. And we're going to be an inch and a half shorter than those high-performance drills, and we're going to be 2 times faster. We're going to show that here with the 2 9/16 self-feed bit. It will outperform the competitive set.
All right, well, we don't need to see the competitors, but let's see how fast that one goes. I have seen it, and I have used it, and it is awesome.
All right,
let's just... Got to get your safety glasses, guys. Safety first. Especially with this drill, because it's fast. Watch how fast this is. No BS. Yeah, I mean, I feel like I was going faster before. I don't know.
That's in high speed.
Yeah.
Only drill that can do it in high speed.
Cool, good stuff. When's it coming out?
Both the drill and the impact driver are launching in July of this year.
And how much?
It's going to be the same price as the second generation product.
And what hashtag do our readers have to use?
Hashtag Cole is the man.
Cole is the man. Here's something that you guys don't know. Longtime crew member, Gnarly Carl, is actually Brad.
I make no allusion to that fact, but yes.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.